We are excited to share with you the new and improved DroneDeploy. One place for all reality capture data.
But what else do you need besides capable, dependable robots? You need software. You need the software where you already have defined what you want. You need to define what the work is that you want the robot to carry out. And that's DroneDeploy.
We're finally able to start delivering it in the product, and it's going to appear in the DroneDeploy app. And that is time lapses.
Well, I'm excited to share with you today, we're launching global PPK processing with fast convergence regions in all of North America and Europe.
It's like you don't even have to think about it. The cool part about the simplification of it is taking out the driving, the movement of memory cards, the making sure everything's charged, all of those things, all of that goes away.
And the answer is exactly. What we're trying to do as an automation team is underwhelm our customers with simplicity. Sounds stupid, but we want you to go, really? Is that it? That's when we succeed, rather than, wow, all those buttons look amazing. It really is about simplicity.
Thank you, of course, for using our products. And I said at the beginning, everything we've built at DroneDeploy is because of you, because you've given us feedback and guidance, because you've given us brilliant ideas.
Thanks, you guys.
Sharing the stories. This year, I get to announce a really exciting statistic. You've collected over 1 billion reality capture photos.